Hello guys, so today before proceeding for the weekly discussion, I would like to discuss very first this today's market activity, and then we are going to look and analyze what market did throughout the whole week and what for the next week now. So stay tuned till the end of this video. In yesterday's post market analysis video, I told to you that if market is going to show you the movement like this, then this is the probability. Yes, market may show you this kind of movement. I clearly told this sentence, and I also drawn this type of structure in yesterday's post market analysis video. So today market gave you the same type of movements, and I also told you that this level is going to be very much important, and you can clearly see that yes, market is having some support from that, and this is nothing but one demand zone over there. You can see this in the 15-minute time frame chart as well. So very first, when market is approaching this level, it took some bounce back. It went to the higher level, then again falling to the lower level, trying to penetrate deep in this demand zone. And finally, it got broken over here. But by this point, what market participants did is they exhausted. The sellers over here, they completely gave up. And at the same time, buyers also not interested for the buying anything over there. So now you can clearly correlate my words that whatever I told you in the yesterday's post market analysis video, market completely following that thing. Talking about the initial balance and the 6 types of market days is today it was the expanded typical day. Market is expanding its initial balance range on the lower side. So this is the initial balance break. Yes, you can go for the trade target. Target is it is of the CPR. That's it. And what's the target from the CPR? This is the, I think, 70 points. Okay. So this is also the good. Yes, it is okay. It's completely okay. It's not that every time you must have to have the bigger targets. If I want to discuss about the morning movements, let's analyze the overall movement over here. So what market did? Market opened at the higher level. In the opening itself, it took one support from the PDH level, and this is the horizontal support level as well. It went up, but market made with one supply zone over here, and it falls. Now this supply zone can be seen in the 15-minute time frame chart. Guys, what you have to do is kindly analyze on your chart. Change this 5-minute to the 15-minute time frame chart. You are going to see that yes, this is the supply zone over here. So market is reversing from that. The candle closing below that, the bearish candle over here. So this indicates you that yes, definitely you can go for the trade once this candle low is getting broken. So in this candle, definitely you can go for the short. It is the rejection from the higher level, target to the POC, and this move was that. That's it. So this is the great movement and standard professional movement as per our methods. So this is the 200 point of movement, and later on you must have to avoid. Why you have to avoid is after the typical day again market is trading within the previous day's trading range. So that's a big point to note down. Throughout the day there was no such good trade available. Yes, here we are having the movement, but every time if you are going for the trade, then you are not going to get very good movements. Here why to avoid the trading is, reason is the CPR over here, market was distributing within the one small range, trading here and there. So one cannot expect some good movements over there. That's why it's better to avoid the chart. That's it. Movement is there. I am not denying anything. Market profile POC. Okay, market is rejecting from this level and moving on the lower side. It is also rejecting from the initial balance low. Yes, everything is there. But it's not like that every time you must have to go for the trade, you must have to analyze, you must have to be correct like that. Some of the day you must have to avoid whole day as well, and that's nothing but the professional trading. Professional trading does not mean that you have to trade all the days following the methods all the time. No, some of the days you must have to avoid as well. So that's the professionalism. Now let's go to the higher time frame chart to discuss about the daily and the weekly market outlook, and definitely we are going to see for what we are having for the next week. Now this is the daily time frame chart, and you can clearly see that I think on this day's post market analysis video I told to you that I am expecting some consolidation in this particular range. So currently market is in the consolidation phase. Throughout this whole week we are having the momentum from the higher side to this lower side, okay? But as this is the consolidation phase, the profit booking phase, you must have to stay very light and must have to analyze somewhat more on the chart. Yes, this might be the reversal. Why? Because market is forming the base candle over here. But today market is rejecting this reversal. So definitely this high means today's high and yesterday's low. This is going to be very much important for the next week market movement. What you can do is you can draw one rectangle like this is from this high, okay, and this low. So like this you can draw one rectangle and you must have to look for the breakout from this high and the low. Below and above this particular range you can go for the trade, but in between this stay in the intraday mode only. Do not go very aggressive. Let's change this time frame to the weekly now. On the weekly time frame chart as well, market is indicating somewhat consolidation for the next week, but probably if market is going to break this low, okay, means yesterday's low PDL and this week low, if market is going to break that level, then definitely there might be some downside movement as well, which I already explained you on the daily time frame candlesticks. But within this range you must have to analyze some consolidation. Let's say if market is going to give you the breakout on the lower side, then what you have to target? You must have to look for the very first this 39,500 mark and this low, okay, up to this 400 mark. Below that there might be the fall to this level 38,650 mark and this level 38,180. So you must have to look for these levels on the lower side. And as we are going to have the new month's Cambrilla level in the next week and new weekly levels as well, so definitely you must have to look for those levels too, because there will be some different structures available based on those pivot points. Talking about the higher side, if it is breaking this level, then probably you are going to see some movement on the higher side up to this 40,920 mark. But stay very cautious to trade on the higher side, because that will be quite very much tricky one for the trading as well. So I told you that what you have to look for the higher and the lower side. I am not expecting much for the next week. So now what you have to do is kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel and comment below this video as well.